Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Kai runs a local auto parts store. A customer comes in and asks for special supercharged kale, orders it from the factory. This activity can be classified under outbound logistics operation, customer senvice, inbound logistics marketing. And the answer to the question is: ordering a special supercharge from the factory from a customer can be classified under inbound logistics. Inbound logistics refers to the activities involved in receiving, storing, and distributing inputs to the product or service, typically from suppliers or manufacturers. In this case, Kai is ordering a specific auto part from the factory, which involves the logistic of receiving and managing income goods to meet customer demands. Therefore, the correct classification for this activity is inbound logistics. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.